Okay, so I downloaded Shaperbox. I said I was going to download LFO Tool on a previous episode, but after looking into it and asking a few friends, there was a few different services that all kind of did the same thing. LFO Tool, Shaperbox, Flux, also Mini Flux 2. If you're looking to get this kind of effect that I'm going to show you today, Mini Flux 2 apparently is free for many programs and does kind of the same thing. But I was willing to go for a paid version here, especially because Shaperbox seems to have so much more in it than just this one tool. There's so many different things it can do, and they all do it together. I'm really excited to explore this plugin. LFO Tool was $50. This was $100 and came with so much more. So, but it came with exactly the same sort of stuff that LFO Tool has, including this kind of volume shaper. This is gonna be maybe one of the shortest episodes we've ever done. I'm very jet lagged still, but the main thing I got this tool for was to be able to sidechain compress my basses to my kicks without having to actually use compression. And I have effectively done that already with the shape that you were just seeing. This shape is set up in the way that it will cut out the sound around the kick drum. So this is one of our basses. And if I turn it off, there's not like a real noticeable difference here. It doesn't really sound like it's cutting a whole bunch out there, but if I also have it on this bass down here, which on this one it's a little bit more noticeable. You'll hear the of the kick there, and then I also have it on this synth. You can really hear it on this one. Everything really kind of is cutting out of the way of the kick. And now if I turn them off here real fast and then listen to the way the kick sounded before I turn these on. It's really buried. You're only hearing the kind of the transient of the kick. You're not hearing any of the tail here. Now listen to it though with all of them turned I love that. You can hear so much more of the body. You're still kind of missing the tail, and maybe I need to make it a little bit wider there. So I'll experiment with the shape of kind of how much to cut out as we go through, but it's really cool here to kind of get that effect. There's no pumping, you don't hear, it doesn't sound sidechain compressed, but it is. There is space being given there, and it's really incredible to me when you listen to this, like how little is actually being cut out of these sounds. So small, such a small effect there, but it's really effective at giving space. So yep, that's all I got done today. Excited to be here in Glasgow. Maybe I'll cut in some footage here of the city. It's been a wonderful time so far with Johnny Boy, and I'm excited to kind of get acclimated to this side of the world before the London Major next week. So yep, that's all I had time for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow.